Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So I started my day with my usual morning routine, and after that the thing I like to do is to make my bed. So I did that. After that, I started creating to-do list for the day, and also I wanted to upload a video, so I did that as well. So for breakfast, I helped my mom to make Rava Dosa. I thought I should vlog and share it with you guys. After that, my online batches started. I was having some free time, so I started creating some random painting. Whenever I am free, I always make sure to draw something. Today I was creating a random beach scenery using acrylic colors. I also shot some more videos of my mandala YouTube channel after this. And finally, at the end of the day, I started editing all the videos. So I will just give you a quick tour of my desk. So I was having my planner with me. After that, this notebook, a pen, a stylus, some sticky notes, of course my laptop. This is the diary in which I write all my YouTube ideas. And here I was having this cute mandala cup in which I have stored all my mandala pens, a DIY pen stand that I have made using cardboard, my water bottle and my glasses. And that's it for my desk tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.